This instructional video highlights the Program Compatibility Checker feature, a key part of Match a Resident's post-match soap prep service. We'll guide you through effectively using the Compatibility Checker tool to enhance your strategy for soap. Before we dive in, it's crucial to recognize the dual-phase utility of the Compatibility Checker, initially for pre-soap exploration and subsequently as your critical tool in the initial hour of soap on Monday of match week. If you haven't activated the Match a Resident soap service, you're limited to testing with 3 sample ACGME codes. Once you activate the service, you'll gain unlimited search capabilities across all 18 specialties, allowing you to fully prepare before soap. In the Compatibility Checker search field, you'll individually input the 10-digit ACGME codes for unfilled positions you've obtained from the NRMP R3 system. Compatible programs will show a green checkmark, signaling a match with your qualifications, while a red X indicates a mismatch, helping you prioritize your search effectively. Each program you explore is listed under the Top Compatible Programs tab, providing clear and immediate feedback on your potential program matches. The key moment of Soap Day unfolds through the Top Compatible Programs tab. As you initiate your unfilled programs compatibility search during soap, this page will dynamically generate a list tailored to your profile after you have completed all your vacant program searches. This feature remains inactive until the start of the soap hour, at which point it will activate, efficiently organizing your most compatible program matches. Under the Top Compatible Programs tab, you will also find different filters to sort from. Utilize the available filters for specialties, geographic preference, setting, and bookmarked programs to refine your list. The first 45 compatible programs earn a gold trophy, symbolizing your top choices, with any beyond 45 marked with a silver trophy. Please note, at the start of soap, we will reset all the programs you have searched for testing under the All Searched tab to ensure you're working from a clean slate. To populate your top compatible programs, manually enter the 10-digit ACGME codes from the NRMP's R3 system unfilled list for all relevant programs and specialties. Accurate entry is essential to generate your tailored list of top programs. The Compatibility Checker feature bridges your preparation with potential opportunities. By fully engaging with this tool, you align your soap strategy with the most compatible programs. This isn't just about searching, it's about strategically positioning yourself for a favorable outcome. As soap approaches, remember, your readiness and strategic use of the Compatibility Checker can significantly influence your results. Good luck.